Hello guys, welcome back to NanoMind. So today I'm going to show you like a new series, it's completely around some number of videos based on for XRD analysis and everything about XRD plottings, how we need to plot attractively. So it will very attractive in articles and whatever XRD analysis like phase analysis and Rietveld refinement analysis and how we need to match our data with the previous XRD data. So like this, everything we are going to learn this after in this XRD series. So today I'm going to show you the basic thing, like first how we need to plot the XRD data very attractively, like without any doing any fake things or like a fake calculations or anything, just how we need to plot basic data. Okay, so once we learned all of these things, so we will be the expertise in XRD analysis. So just today is the XRD series 1, the video number 1. Okay, and now just we're going to see like how we need to plot the style, how we need to plot the data very attractive with very suitable to the article. Like many people just struggling like to plot attractively, and even in revision parts, whenever they get revision of their article from journals, so they're also struggling to plot again and saving methods. So today I'm going to show you how to plot very effectively and save high quality figures that nobody taught you up to now. So I will show you in this video, and in next upcoming videos I will continue this XRD series about all the things about the XRD first, because everybody in materials research they must follow initial study about XRD, how to analyze, how to confirm the materials, and how we need to move from after the XRD, how we need to do XRD. After that only we need to do some other analysis. That is the main thing. So let's get started. And now I'm going to show you. First thing is before in our videos, we saw some of a foldering structure, how we need to save the data files, how we need to properly arrange the files in our article folder. So that's we are seen in our previous videos, and you can go and check that videos and how we structured that folder files like that. So based on that folder structure, just here we can see like a manuscript references and work data. So this is our folder structure, right? So here manuscript, we have some of the files that I mentioned in previous videos. Just to go and check there what I explained. And now today in this case, like in work data, so there is a it should be work data. It should be work data. Work data. So in this work data I mentioned also all the any analysis application parts, everything, the data would be saved in this folder only, right? So here today I'm going to just to take in an example like XRD. So using this XRD data, I'm going to tell you the tips and tricks, what are the things you must not to do, and what is the thing you it's enough to do to plot the XRD data. Okay, so now coming to the XRD, here some of the files I have XRD related files. There is GS1, GS2 and GS3, GS4. There is a 4 files is there. So in these 4 files, so you can get some other format also, like .jcp file, .audi file, .eudp, PDF. Some XRD analyze it. Some universities or institutes, they may send all the format files, but somebody send only the Excel file sheet or xy data only. So here for complete analysis of XRD, you must have different type of format files like a .jcp and .xrdml file. .xrd, some of the file formats is only very important for all the things of XRD analysis. But here for plotting purpose, just we need we need enough like only .xy or Excel sheet enough. Now just open origin getting open. Now I will change the dark theme to light theme. Like so now how, like just whatever you have Excel file, so like this Excel file and our XY file, so just drag and drop the Excel file, just drag it and come to here, just paste it right here. Okay, just a drop here, just it will open a file. This is the XRD file. Okay, so here is the tip number one. What is the thing, whatever you get XRD data from your instrumentation, like wherever you done, so there the given like this intensity, ESD and X values, label values. Okay, so you must plot this data directly. You should not correct any baseline, because in your XRD data, if you correct the baseline, so it will be the peaks will be unidentifiable, so it will become a flat surface. Okay, I will show you how the people used to baseline correction in this, and what we cannot do though. Okay, so we should not do that, because here see, if you select X and Y, whatever you can choose intensity or ESD, so just angle and intensity Y, just go plot. And here the basic 2D is there is a different type of charts are there, but we need for basic 2D, and select this spline connector. So this is our spline connector. So for XRD data or FTL data, so we don't need this spline connector, sorry. Like here we need a simply it should be line drawn. Okay, so just you can select a line, like it says spline, and just a spline, it will show like this. Okay, so this is the thing. So once it's plotted, some people struggle just here only. So there are some old versions things, the plotting, the white space, here is a white background space, right? So it will be squared shape, so it is like look like a rectangular shape. But in old version of Origin software, it will follow, like it will be follow a square shaped one. So there what will happen, the plot will be like this. Okay, it will be square shaped like, but you must, if it is one square shaped white background, just you reduce the height of the plot to the down, so your plot will become like a little bit rectangular. Just to follow these rectangular shaped plots only for the entire article. Okay, this is the most attractive one first here. Okay, so already in this version OriginPro 2026 we have installed. So here we have already a rectangular type space background, like a white background. So I used to plot as usual how it is plotted. Okay, so this is enough for me, and this is a rectangular shape. Okay, so and now here is the important. So the name of the sample would be changed. Okay, the name of the sample. So this is the name, whatever, if I use the name GS1, so this is the name. Okay, so here we must remove the border of the name. So just click on here, go to this border and select it. It will remove. And now, so we need to change the text font and style font, whatever. Okay, the styles, everything we need to. Just as usual, what I will do here, just follow this the same thing. Okay, so here just I will select all, and here there is a font style. Place just a search Times New Roman, get enter. It will apply Times New Roman, and that name would be bold. And these names, the size of the font should be, it's around 22. This is the one, the size 22 or 22 is the size is very usual size. Okay, so in your article wherever it will show the default one, so it will be very look like very professional. And here the box would be change the style. Okay, here if you select this box, just if you select double click this box, double click it, just that line. Okay, so on this line you have to double click, and if you go like this, So here you have to identify like whatever the lines, the label lines he is here, right? So the XY values. So you can edit these lines width only, so that's enough. Automatically these width lines will be updated. If you have these lines, here also some values with attached like this, so that line particularly you need to edit. Okay, so here I will show you, like here is the horizontal, means this is the horizontal, this is the horizontal, this is the horizontal. Okay, so here you have mentioned, we know we don't need scale. If you want to attach this here, you can add some scale too, and if here just 2 is like 90.02, so this is enough for 90. And if you go here, line and tricks, it's a very important. And here the thickness of the line you have to maintain 2, and that's enough. And there is an below side, this area we have edited line thickness 2, and we don't need to go top because we don't have any numbers here attached, so it will be show line and tricks. We don't check this, just follow my these steps and go to left, and here it will update like 2. Okay, so just apply. Okay, now see, so this line width also it's getting 2, and these lines also getting 2, it's enough. Okay, and this is the plotting style, this is whatever these line style we need to change. So if you graph is need to more attractive, just it's look like okay, but you can change it to up to 2, so don't go to above the 2. Okay, so it's 2, it's look like some noisy type, just select 1.5, it's enough. Okay, and now the left side label is intensity. Even though we don't need to select this intensity, so just delete it, and this one also we don't need to delete it, and this one just click on here and press and delete, so it will, the line only will be deleted. Okay, and here it is very important, this one. And if you see here, there is 20 60 20 40 60 like that. Just we need to change the scale, and here value, this is the value 20, just select it 10, apply. Okay, so there is a 10 20 30 up to 90. Okay, and here is the angle, just select all angle to theta, so this is enough. And here we need to edit, select all, here we need to times New Roman, and the size is 22, that's important. Okay, overall entire anything inside the plot, anything, any fonts, numbers, everything should be maintained. The size is 22, which is the default. It will be more attractive in your article. And just select all bold, you can use Ctrl B, bold. Okay, and this one just select here, just there is one mini table will be open here. Okay, just bold it, and here size is 22, and here times New Roman, here times New Roman, select it, so this is enough. Okay, so even though if you want to more little bit rectangle, you can match like this. And here what is the space here, you have maintained the same space, you can maintain here, it will be correct space. Okay, and here you can move little bit up, just to press select it and press upside button, it will move. Okay, and this is enough. So now it is the plot. And even though if you want to change this color scale, just select on it, a mini window will come here, and you can select this color, and if you want to some other color, just select it, it will change. Okay, and whenever you use OriginPro, just you have to place these plots at the left side. Okay, because whatever if we drop our files from just drag and drop here, just drag and drop here, so automatically the file will be open at the left side. Okay, that's why it will be overlaid on this book sheet. Okay, it will be overlaid on book sheet, so that's why this book sheet one should be at the right side. It will be more comfortable to draw anything, and we need to place these plots at the left side. so that is the more comfortable when you're handling the OriginPro. Okay, and so this is the thing. Okay, and as usual, based on our folder structure, so we need to save this origin file, right? So just go to file and save project as, and where just you don't save anywhere, in download somewhere, just we have a folder structure. If you don't know how to structure your folder to save the data files, just go to watch our previous videos and learn that, so it will be very helpful to you to arrange your files. Okay, so here just used here, this is the folder structure for us, and now we plotted XRD data. Just go to our data, here XRD, and this is the XRD we have plotted using. Just here we need to save the file. Okay, so just save it. I have already that file, that's why I replaced it, so you can save directly there and you can close it. So just it will save the file here directly. Okay, so if you see here XRD plotting or data XRD, so here we can see that's XRD origin file. Okay, so like this you must save the same file inside the XRD data one. So just don't save some other places. It will you will confuse in the future to find the right file. Okay, now I will show you what are the things you must not to do. Okay, so here this is the plotting thing. So don't do ever the different sizes and styling. Okay, so if you consider these X and Y, always should be an entire font, everything should be 22 in size, and Times New Roman, this is the styling. So if you want to change the font style, means you must refer the journal. Okay, so inside the journal, if any article uses some other font, so you can use that font also. And if you're naming, okay, if your names just filled many names here, so if you have a lot of names, a lot of samples names here, so you can just reduce the 1 point. So you can reduce the you can maintain to 18, like this you can maintain. Okay, just select all and go here, just type and enter, so you can maintain like this. So in this case you must need not change any sizing of these things. Okay, just you can change the inside the names of size one. So these are the things you must follow, and if you follow any different sizing, so it will be very crazy. Like this is one of the size, this is one size, this is one size, so it will be, it's not a professional thing. You must follow all the sizes should be that is the default one thing. Okay, so this is the thing you must follow some of the steps. Okay, so like this guys, we can plot more attractively. This is the default things you must follow, the same sizing and the box and plotting sizes. Okay, so always it should be used like this. And how we need to export this plot. Okay, so as we mentioned earlier videos, we just follow the some structure of the folder structure, right? In this work data we have all images folder, right? So in this we have origin export graphs, there is one folder. So here only we need to export here this image. Okay, just click on right click and export graph, so it will come like this. Okay, here you must follow this thing. Okay, the most important thing. So just here file name, whatever file name you just make it XRD GS1. So this is my XRD file name, and file path. Which one is the file path? Just choose here, select here, and we need to go there. So this is our exploring and our data, all images, and origin export graph. This is the file path for us. Okay, and here you need to select the transparent background. So just click on it because it will give you the transparent plotting. Okay, and here DPI, we need to select DPI 900. This is the most important. So then only you can get a more accurate and more high quality plots. Okay, and this is enough, and just click on OK, and you will see a plot is came here. Okay, so this is the plot. And what is the next thing? So after this high quality plot, you can use your, we have all images, and here we have our data PPT. So just you can open it, and you can just copy this one and paste it here. So it will see there is a transparent background. That's why we check it there. Okay, that box, this is the transparent, and you can whatever you do any designs here, like any angles, planes, anything or whatever you can mention using drawing and anything. And here, from here, you can export the plot, export the image, so that you can use in article. So this is the sizing, and this is the thing it's most important to maintain your unique styles in your article. Okay guys, so this is the how we need to plot the data, and in next videos I will show you a step by step. This is the one series, just you can follow the next videos. I will show you more depth of the videos, depth of the plotting things. Okay, thank you, bye bye, see you.